Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's Munchkin, and welcome to another episode of, well, I guess it's a mixture of Munch with Munchkin and Munching Blindly. I went out today to Culver's to try some of their burgers. I got their, I think it's their Butterburger with cheese. I got it plain, so cheese and meat. Let's see if I, nope, that's the wrong one. Dumbass. So, looks like yay. I will apologize first if there's horrible quality layer. I'm kind of got dark out earlier than I thought it was going to. So, yeah. So if the video gets dark, I'm sorry. And then the other one I got was their crispy chicken sandwich. Again, plain. Then I got 2 Dr. Peppers and barbecue sauce to try with the stuff. So I'm gonna try the cheeseburger first. Not bad. I'll try it with some barbecue sauce. The meat tastes fine, it just, kind of tastes dried, sorta. It tasted like it needed something. Please don't make a mess. Yeah, definitely needed some kind of sauce for it. I don't mind trying one of these again. Maybe with bacon. I don't know, it's like one of those things, like, I'm not sure if I like it or dislike it. I might just have to try it again and see what I think. I will say that one of the things I do like about it, which I don't get this often at certain burger places, but kind of, the outer area of the, beef patty is kind of, crispy a little bit. So the way that they grilled it, it's really neat. The inside is still really soft and juicy. So to get that really nice crispy outer shell of the meat is kind of nice. Okay, so I did say this was a munch with Munchkin, not just munching blindly. So, what have I been doing lately? Well, school. For the most part, don't really have much of a life. I've been especially school's been too busy. Well, I think I've already said possibly one of my other videos that, taking art history and, environmental biology. Art history's easy. Just had to examine it. Got a 94 on the exam. So yay. The biology class, never been good at biology, all science classes in general, except for astronomy. Well, since the biology one is online, I have to go, like, wait for modules to come up, like the week's homework and classwork. But my teacher tends to, or at least the last couple weeks, he's been waiting late, or like the first day for the work week, to post up what was due. And since I'm a slow reader, and there have been weeks I need to read like 2 or 3 chapters, to do the assignments by Thursday, it's been really hard, and I've been working constantly on it. I'm hoping to get a little ahead since he kind of posted some of his classwork for next week up. So I'm hoping that helps a little bit. And that's if he keeps posting them earlier. Anything else I'm working on? I have an art project with a group. That I have to start researching stuff for finally. Putting this in so I can put a little bit of sauce on it. So, okay. Interrupt my train of thought. About fucking time. Car just finally auto-locked on his own. Oh yeah. If you're wondering why I'm in the back seat, is because, I'm trying to record in the front seat, and it was just way too dark. So I'm hoping this is a little bit better for you guys. So yeah, that's why, and I don't have lock buttons back here, so I can't lock the car. And I wasn't gonna reach and knock over the camera by trying to lock the doors myself. But anyways. So the sandwich, the chicken sandwich is pretty good. Again, it has a nice crisp on the outside. I tend to have a problem with certain places. Chick-fil-A is one of the culprits too that does this, where the breadings kind of just falling apart. And Chick-fil-A, it's fine. It works okay. So I have no complaints there. Other places, if it falls apart, there's no, like, seasoning on the chicken, so it's kind of pointless. This one's actually, like, really, really cooked on there. I don't know if you guys can see. Again, horrible lighting. Probably not. The breading's pretty good. It has a really nice crunch. Chicken, for the most part, on the inside is still pretty good. It's not dried out, like you have at some places. Chick-fil-A, you don't have that problem. Or at least I never had that problem there. Now, I wouldn't mind trying this with the, barbecue sauce. There you are. Just a little bit. I don't want too much. Just in case it doesn't taste good with the chicken. In my opinion. barbecue sauce doesn't taste too bad with the chicken. Personally, I might have picked a different sauce. I'm not sure what I would have picked. Nothing that they had there. I don't want mustard. Don't want ranch. I think there was a Parmesan something from the sauce there. That might have been fine. I'm not sure. I probably would tasted that sauce first. There, that should be good enough. Anything else to talk about? And hopefully don't drip barbecue sauce on myself. Especially since this is a white shirt. One thing I want to get there is, they have, at Culver's, is they have, some pumpkin flavors, malts or something, what do they call them? I think it was like their concrete mix, is what they call them. So I guess it's supposed to be like a super thick milkshake. They have like 3 different pumpkin ones. I think one was like supposed to be like pumpkin and gingerbread, pumpkin and caramel, and pumpkin spice, I think was the last one. So I might do a video on those eventually, if I have time, before they go away. Oh yeah, I was really upset. Evidently on the first day of fall, there was this pizza place that had, pumpkin pizza. Like, I think it had pumpkin spice on it and stuff like that. And I really wanted to try it. I think the pizza place was like Villa Italian Pizza or something like that. And it turned out they only had it for 1 day. And I like saw no advertisement on it, so I didn't know it until the day after my friend posted an article about it at like midnight. And was like, well, it's too late to go and buy it because the places are closed. So I was pretty sad about that. But yeah, if you guys ever hear about anything special that's going on at any food place, it's fast food or sit down, let me know. I mean, even if you don't think it's in my area, just let me know, because it might be in Kentucky, it might be Indiana. It might be reasonable for me to drive to and spend a day in that area to try out the food. Also still working on Patreon a little bit. I don't know when this video goes out if Patreon will be up yet. But if it is, I'm probably still trying to figure out and fixing some things to make it better. I don't think I like the chicken sandwich as much as I like the burger. I kind of wish I got 2 burgers though. I mean, it's not bad, it's just, I don't know, I think the burgers are a little bit juicier than the chicken sandwich. Part of me, it might be because of the breading. It's kind of weird to me. Because again, usually most places when I go get chicken sandwiches at, the breading's not so crunchy. And the way that, and another thing, it might be in my mental state too, because of, well, not really mental state, but whatever. The way that the chicken sandwich looks, the chicken almost kind of looks boxy from the outside, when you're just looking at the edges. It kind of has corners. It keeps making me think, that I'm eating a chicken sandwich from McDonald's, because they're square and their bread looks really crunchy. So it might be freaking me out subconsciously. I'm just guessing. Again, it's not bad. I'm just thinking like the burgers there more. One down. No, don't think I'm gonna eat any more of this. Try not to make a mess in here. I'll drink a little bit more of my Dr. Pepper. There are crumbs everywhere. And crumbs down my shirt. Ah, nice. So, for those that have watched my other car videos, do you like this setup more? Or do you like the front seat more? Well, the front passenger seat. I mean, yeah, it's dark out right now, so the color is probably not gonna be that great, but based on setup alone, which you guys like more, being in the back seat kind of feels weird, but it might have given better view on things, like the food. I mean, usually I have to make sure the food's up here in the front seat, but I don't think I really had to do that much in the back. I'll have to watch a video later to find out, too, since I can't view this. Because on the phone, on the tripod, I can't see what's going on this side, because the screen's in the opposite direction. I don't think there's anything else to talk about since I'm back here, recording. Because I'm done eating. I'm gonna try to do better where I'm not out this late doing these videos, so we don't have this night problem. I mean, there is Halloween coming up, so I'm trying to get a lot of videos done early so I can get them out in a reasonable time, especially since all that, like all the Halloween stuff, most of it's gonna be gone by the end of this month. There's some places that are gonna be running into November, but I don't think that many. I don't think there's anything that's seasonal for Thanksgiving at all. I mean, unless they keep like the pumpkin spice type stuff available. A lot of like the candy corn flavor stuff will probably be gone, but the pumpkin and spice stuff might still be available. And then I'm waiting for the Christmas stuff. I need to look at some of the Instagrams that I follow that keep up with the seasonal stuff, and to actually get to know the stuff before it's released. I need to check and see if they have anything listed for Christmas yet. But other than that, I can't think of anything else that I'm gonna be dealing with in the next month or so, other than school, working on projects I'm a part of, playing some games, school, and videos. Anyways, I'm just rambling at this point. Since it's pretty dark and you guys probably really can't see me, I'm probably gonna end this video in a minute. Because I'm pretty much done eating anyways. And I also probably should leave before like any mall security comes around too, since I'm parked at the far back of the mall parking lot to record this video. I think I figured out my best fuel for these videos now. Drink Dr. Pepper from now on. I was thinking this allows a little bit better of a display of the food. But again, it's up to you guys. If you want this or just the front seat. Can't think of anything else. Especially anything I need to tell you guys. I guess again, if I have Patreon up by now, on this video, guys, check it out. See if you have any opinions of the reward tiers. If you have any suggestions, anything like that. I mean, even ideas on how I do the videos. If you guys have any opinions on the setup of the videos, like, let's see. Well, setup as in how I do the food eating, how I describe things, the layout of the room, I guess, layout of the table. I mean, it's a pretty small room, so there's not much I can really do about it. Especially since the one side of the table, the left side of the table, which would be your guys' right, there's a window right there. So I was like, I can't move the table to that side of the room, and I can't move the table to the other side of the room because that's where the closet is and my bookshelves. So the room's really stupidly set up, so it's not like I can do much of anything with it. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas, just let me know. I'm just trying to get the videos a little bit better, especially since it's been several months. Well, yeah, about several months since I did the last videos, so I'm still learning technically on how to do these videos for you guys. Especially since I technically don't have a lot of videos up, I think. So, yeah. Just give me ideas, guys. I mean, I am thinking of doing eventually, if Patreon does well, eventually to start cooking meals at home, trying out recipes that you guys suggest, and whatnot. But since, again, these are supposed to be trying stuff new, these things might have ingredients that I don't normally buy, and those cost money, especially if you have to buy them and you only use them once. and you have stuff left over, it's kind of wasteful. So, just have to see. Still trying out new things. Still trying to figure out this channel, I guess you could say. But anyways, I'm gonna end this video. Well, I'm about to end it. Almost done with it. Yeah, I am done with it. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry if I ramble on too much. I guess I was hoping I would have more to say about the food. I mean, I only did get 2 things. I mean, I wanted to compare their burgers to the chicken sandwich that they have. Definitely would try them out. The burgers are good. I just hope that next time I try it, I got only a single. I didn't tell you guys that. With the burger, I only got a single. You can get it as doubles. So 2 meat patties. But I tried it as a single. I think next time I'm going to try a double. And do a double with bacon. And see how that is. I mean, might do a video of it. I'm not sure. And then, like I said, I was maybe going to go back and do the 3 pumpkins. Mixers. They look pretty good. So, here's hoping. Actually, I should have been doing that. Whatever. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop the videos. So, again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And, hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
Hey, guys.
Sorry about the shitty camera today, guys. Hopefully that won't happen again. I went into this thinking this was going to be some run-of-the-mill burger, but it really started to grow on me. I really want to try another one, or maybe a double, with bacon. The chicken sandwich though, kind of the opposite effect. It's probably a one-time thing. But I will definitely be going to Culver's again to try some more stuff. If you liked today's video, drop me a comment. Like this video. And don't forget to subscribe.
Guys.